As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills and wanted your take. One's the Charbroil Classic Series 2-burner, and the other is the Weber Genesis S-335. Big price difference, right?
Huge difference. The Charbroil is around $139, while the Weber is a whopping $1,149. What are you mainly grilling? That price jump suggests totally different levels of performance.
Mostly burgers and chicken for a small family. Occasionally steaks. Is the Weber that much better?
Okay, for burgers and chicken, the Charbroil might be fine. It has two burners with 20,000 BTUs and about 280 square inches of cooking space. Plus, a side burner, which is handy. But the Weber, it's in another league.
How so?
Well, it boasts 3 pure blue burners, designed for super even heat, and a dedicated sear zone for those steaks. It's got a side burner too, and Weber crafted compatibility so you can swap in pizza stones and griddles.
Weber crafted?
Yeah, it's their modular cooking system. You can buy different inserts to do specific things. The Charbroil has a side shelf that works with their Geartrax accessories, but it's not quite the same.
What about build quality? I hate grills that rust out after a year.
That's where Weber shines. Stainless steel cooking grates, flavorizer bars to minimize flare-ups, and the grease management system is top-notch. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates, which are okay but not as durable.
So the Weber is built to last?
Absolutely, and it comes from the USA. The Charbroil is made in China. The Weber's also significantly heavier, 181.6 pounds, versus the Charbroil's 37.5. That gives you a feel for the construction.
Okay. So for occasional grilling, the Charbroil gets the job done, but the Weber is an investment in quality and features.
Exactly. If you're serious about grilling, the Weber is worth considering. The Charbroil is a good entry-level option if you just want something simple and affordable. But if you're looking for even heating, durability, and versatility, the Weber is the way to go, even though it's a bigger upfront cost.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.